Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I have brought for you wireless microphone mic. So this is a mic. You can see, let's unbox this. First I have got this mic. You can see here is a charging port and here is the two mics and here is a Type-C pin. And build quality is good, finishing is good, looking stylish. And next I have got this charging cable, and this iPhone pin. You can see 92% charging. Here is a LED. When you charging this mic, you can see charging percentage show you 92. Let's check the mic quality. Five or 10 seconds, you can see mic is on. Let's check this quality.
Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I have worked for you. I will show you. Mic quality is good. I am speaking in mic. You can see mic quality is good and very louder. You can see mic quality is good. I am speaking in mic.
You can see mic quality is good. You can try in the description box. So I will back in next video. So this video, like, share, subscribe. Bye.